Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the DEVSQ function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function returns the sum of squares of deviation of data points from their simple mean. So this is the formula that is used for this function. So it contains from 1 to 255 arguments, and all those arguments are simply numbers. So this is why we're going to use this little table right here, and we are going to calculate the sum of squares of deviation of the following numbers. So how exactly does this function work? So it's pretty simple. We simply start by writing down equal, and then we can just write down DEVSQ, and we can open up, here we go, then we can open up our parentheses. After that, we can select all the numbers that we want to use inside of our function. So in our case, we want to use all those numbers. So if you want to use just some of them, you can select some of the numbers, but we want to use all of them. And once it's all done, what we want to do is just close our parentheses. And just like that, we are able to have the DEVSQ function for the following numbers. So it's going to be 13.5. So as you can see, those are random numbers that are between 1 and 9, and each time that I refresh the page, it will automatically adapt my answer, so it will change it. So this is how you use the DEVSQ function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.